All right, we're in the hotel room. I got some pasalubong. We have Lola Abon. We'll try the tablea first. Ice cream before it melts. Oh, it's got like cocoa on the top. It is nice and frozen. Mmm. Oh, it's very dark chocolate. It's good. It tastes like hot cocoa. Mmm. I also stopped to get some milk ice on the walk.
Milk ice?
It's called shaved milk ice.
Oh, is it ice cream though?
I don't know.
Okay.
It was looked like milk turned into ice and then they shaved it. It was only 30 pesos, but this is super good. This is like a 8.5 out of 10. Now I'm afraid we got the durian. Let's try the durian now. It's funky. It's very funky. It smells like garlic. An onion.
It has a strong durian.
It's so strong. Have you had this one? Smell it.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I can eat this one.
Okay, I'm gonna finish.
Okay, it tastes creamy. It's sweet.
It's just not for you.
It tastes straight like a bowl full of onions, though.
Are you gonna try everything?
Yeah, I'll try the other stuff too. Let's see. Got a lot of pasalubong. Special sampalok.
Have you tried sampalok?
Sampalok? No.
It's tamarind.
Ah.
Very sour.
I see these on the ground all over the place. Tamarind.
Yeah.
I've had tamarind, like Mexicans make stuff with tamarind a lot. In America, you get Mexican stuff, so. A very subtle smell. It's like a little jelly, which makes sense. Tamarindo candy in Mexico is usually jelly.
That's good.
It tastes kind of like raisins.
It's not sour?
Not to me. It's like sweet sour. It does. It tastes just like raisins. Like a raisin, you ground raisins up into a paste. Have you had these?
No.
You try?
Oh, there's a seed inside.
Oh, I didn't.
Where's the seed?
Maybe I'll get a seed in my next one. These are good though. This will make a really good ice cream.
Sour ice.
Wow. These are nice. I love these. Sampalok.
There's also a spicy flavor.
Oh. I could see that. Wow, I got like 5 things to try.
You still have to see it.
So we got durian macaroons, durian sticks, mangosteen cubes, and then these durian buko pandan yama.
It has 3 flavors.
Oh, buko
The
pandan,
color.
mango, and pineapple.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for the buko pandan because that sounds best. It's so fancy too. I feel bad now. I only brought you 1 pasalubong and I've got
Oh, that's okay.
5 to try. I feel so social today. We've got a nice ribbon. It's just like a nugget of hand-shaped paste. Ooh, I squished it. Okay. Soft. Very mild.
Durian.
Very mild durian.
Okay.
It's okay. It's sweet like jelly with just a little hint of poop.
It's mango.
The green is,
Maybe that's the pandan.
I think, yeah.
No, yeah, that's the pandan.
This one's better. I know I like buko pandan though. Yeah, this one's very little durian, so it's excellent. I don't think durian's my thing. I've tried it.
This one.
And the yellow?
Yeah.
I have to try each variety.
What was the first one? You ate?
I think it was mango. I think this one's going to be pineapple. We'll see. Another beige paste ball. This one's pineapple. You want to try?
Okay.
That one's pineapple. That one's good. I think the buko pandan is my favorite.
It's very soft.
Very soft. It's like a
It just melts in your mouth.
like a jelly. Wow. Do you work next to this place or something?
No, it's near here.
Okay, I guess we'll do durian sticks next.
What about this one?
I'll save that one for last because I think I'm
Okay.
gonna like it. I don't want my durian to be the last flavor I have.
Maybe it will taste durian because you ate a lot of durian stuff.
I have water now.
Okay.
Ooh, little thin, super thin sticks. And even this is 2 sticks. Reminds me of like candy cigarettes in America. Kind of looks like that. Do they have that here? Candy cigarettes?
Yeah.
Feels like gum. Here, do you want to try a piece? Yeah, it's like consistency of gum. But not chewy, it melts. I'm not getting any durian though.
Yeah.
Very, very mild.
It's good eating.
This is good. I'm trying to think. This might be good like if they put this stuff between like biscuits. You know, like bingo, how that has like cream in the middle?
Yeah, yeah.
Or like fita. If you had like 2 fita crackers with some of this in the middle, I think it'd be good.
There's also durian jam, but I don't think
Durian.
you would love it.
No. I like the ube jam, the ube halaya.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm afraid of these durian macaroons. Condensed milk and may contain durian, jackfruit, flour, vegetable, peanuts, coconut, margarine, egg, milk, and potassium sorbate. I don't know, it just smells like cookies. It looks like a weird crinkle, like you made eggs or something. Feels like candy. Sugary. Kind of looks like a little muffin. It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
You never tried macarons without the durian, the regular ones?
I think I've had the coconut macaron,
Okay.
like with the dry coconut. I think I had that in Talisai. Do you want to try?
You can't eat everything?
I could. No, I could eat the whole thing. Yeah, I'll eat another one. It was so good. It does. It tastes just like a regular macaron with a tiny bit of durian. I like durian just when it's funky. I'm really big on smell, so like,
You never tried the fruit?
no. I might try it just because I'm here, but I don't think I'm gonna like it. Because I've seen many people selling durian around here.
Yeah.
I might just have to eat some of this paper. Let's see. Really nice. Just like a tiny muffin with frosting on the top. Almost no durian. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Last but not least, mangosteen cubes. I think I had ube cubes in my video where I tried the durian. It was just like this. You want one?
Yeah, later.
Little cube. What's the consistency?
No, you could have it. That's good.
Very good. I don't know if it tastes like a mangosteen. It tastes like a very chewable Jolly Rancher, kind of like grape and jam.
Have you tried the fruit?
No, I thought mangosteens were sour.
No.
No,
Yeah.
I mean I need to eat some mangosteens then.
Mangosteen is very healthy. You know the medicine MX3? Yeah, it's made from mangosteen.
I've never had mangosteen.
Let's see if we could buy it.
I'm not a
But
big
it's
fruit
not-
person, but
It's season now.
I like these. I would say the only one I really didn't like was the durian ice cream, which makes sense because I've had durian ice cream before and I hated it. So this stays on that same pack, but everything else was pretty good. Even the little, especially the tamarind, mangosteen, macaroons were good. And even the durian candies were pretty nice. Thank you. All right, guys, we're gonna try some more food and we'll be back.